I really appreciate the good service, the prompt service, and the care that I received while I was at Kennestone. And I believe all that good service has got me where I am today. I feel like I'm on the road to recovery.
I would like to thank the staff at Kennestone for taking the very best care of me. I would like to thank them for treating me like I was part of their family. It goes a long way. Y'all finna make me get teary-eyed over here, but it goes a long way, the type of service that they give, and they do it effortlessly. You know, they do it out of their hearts, and I really appreciate all of them.
To the staff at Wellstar, you are an amazing team. Like I said, when I came out of when I was in the recovery and the neurosurgeon was there, and you know, that look on his face that he had won. Like I said, I can envision, I hope there was some high fives in there, but yeah, that's the people you want fighting for you. I mean, the ones that are out there that want that win, you know, because professionally it's a win for them, but you're the recipient of that, you know, and to have that kind of pride and wanting to do the best and get good results for the patient. I can't thank you all enough.
So it's been an honor and a pleasure to work with all of you over the last 10 years. I've seen the maturation of this program over 10 years, and that couldn't have been done without the tremendous resources that Wellstar has placed in our hands to allow us to succeed. But it's a testament to each provider, each nurse, each tech, along the way, from the emergency room to radiology to the Vascular Institute to the neuro ICU to the neuro floors, our stroke coordinators, nurse practitioners. Without all of you, we would never have been successful in building this program. And our patients are, I'm sure, very grateful for the care that they've received. But I look forward to another 10 years of providing outstanding care for our community and for the state of Georgia.